Hello everyone and welcome to the Revit Academy, and today's video is going to be on how to create a blend in Revit. The previous video highlighted how to create an extrusion. I will leave a video link as an end screen at the end of this video, so stick around till the end and you'll see the link. So let's get started. Click on the component, model in place. Give it a name. So as you can see, the previous video was on extrusions. Today is going to be on how to create a blend. So click on the blend, set the plane at level 0. If you click on the show button, it automatically highlights where your plane is set currently. So first of all, what we're going to do is edit the top. So let's create just a standard circle. Once you've done that, now you're going to edit the base. So let's create another small circle. And once you've centered that circle to the position you want it to be, you click OK. Once you click on the tick button, it will generate, and this is what you call a blend. You can go back and edit the base if you want to, I don't know, a square. So you can create any shape you want, really. So that's how you create a blend. I just want to keep these videos short because there's not much to discuss really. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something from it. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please like the video so it gets out more. To the people that need to watch it. And also, if you can share and leave a comment as well, that'll be much appreciated. Thank you very much. And don't forget to check the extrusion video out, which will be on the end screen link, as you can see right now. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.